LPB Play and Learn. We are so excited that you're here, and we're really thankful that you decided to join us today. Well, we're back at Miss Nancy's house, and we've got some really cool crafts and recipes and games, and we have our very special friends Corinne and Paige that are going to be helping us today. So let's jump right on into the first craft. Girls, show us your thankful trees. They're needing some leaves, right? Right. Well, these trees can be used as a Thanksgiving table decoration. And what the girls are going to do, they're going to select some leaf patterns and some leaf templates and some leaves that we've already cut out for you. And we also have some really neat other leaves that we can use to adorn our beautiful thankful tree. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to, when you make a leaf, I want you to write down using your markers something that you're thankful for or someone who you're thankful for. Are you ready to get started? All right, let's go. I'm thinking we might need to make a snack as we prepare for our Thanksgiving. Are you hungry?
Yes.
You know what? We're going to make a trail mix. And a trail mix is so easy because you can use a lot of things that you might already have in your house. But usually, trail mix is composed of 2 salty things and 2 sweet things. And so we have raisins and pretzels, and we have goldfish and peanut M&Ms. And hold up your bags. Look at these cute little bags. So what we're going to do is we're going to dish out what we want to put in our trail mix, put it in our bags, and we'll be ready to have our Thanksgiving snack. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
I wanted to show you how to play Molly of Denali's The Big Gathering game. This game can be found at pbskids.org/games. This will be a great game for you and your family to play during the Thanksgiving holiday break. Molly's getting ready for her big gathering, which is an Alaskan tradition that they do every year. It's a big deal. The Native Alaskans get together, they sell their goods, they play games, they have a great time. So we're going to help Molly get ready for her big gathering. And she's got 5 days, Monday through Friday, to get ready for the big gathering that happens on Saturday. And every day she's got a to-do list of 2 things to do. So Molly's going to pick 1 thing to do, and you get to pick 1 thing to do on the to-do list. And you'll do this for 5 days to help her get ready for the big gathering. So let's check it out.
The big gathering game. Hey everyone! We're getting ready for the big gathering. That's when Alaska Native people come together to celebrate our different cultures. Here's some photos from last year. We sing, dance, sell our crafts and traditional foods, and support each other. This planner shows us how many days until the big gathering. We have 5 days to get ready. This to-do list will help us remember which tasks we need to do today. Monday's to-do list. Let's each pick something from the shelf to do. I'll go first. Decorate a banner. Now you tap an item on the shelf to add a task to the list.
Okay, so Molly's going to decorate a banner, which we're going to help her do, but we also get to pick a task. This is sorting tea leaves, or you can help her decorate a frame that she's going to put a picture in. You can practice bird calls, or you can help her pack for her trip. So you have to help her find items in her room. So we're going to pick sorting tea leaves.
Sort tea leaves. Tap. Help me make a banner for the big gathering. A banner is like a big sign. It has words and pictures that make an announcement. Let's decorate this banner for the Kaya booth, the Kaya Corner. You can decorate with stamps, paint splats, and change the color of your banner.
Okay, so we've got stamps, paint splats, and you can change the color of your banner. So I'm going to put in a few stamps.
When you're done, tap the check mark.
And some paint splats. Kind of looking like an LSU Kaya Corner banner, isn't it? Let's see, I'm going to do some blue paint splat in here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's hit the check mark.
Nizzy! Nice! This banner will help everyone find the booth at the big gathering. We finished decorating a banner! Tap to cross it off our to-do list. We're selling tea at the big gathering, so we need to sort the leaves into the right boxes. The labels show which tea leaves go in each box. Labrador tea. Blue fire tea. Tap a leaf to pick it up, then tap the box with a matching label. Labrador tea is called Ladi in the Gwich'in language.
Oops, wrong one.
We make tea by adding the dried leaves to hot water. After a few minutes, we remove the leaves and drink the tea. But don't forget to wait for it to cool down.
Okay, there we go.
Good! You use the labels to put the leaves in the right boxes. I can't wait to sell this tea at the big gathering. We finished sorting tea leaves. Tap to cross it off our to-do list.
All right, we've got Monday done.
My friends are mailing me things we need for the big gathering. We can use this mail tracking website to see whether any packages have arrived. Tap the computer to get... My receipt says I'm getting a package from Randall James. Can you find Randall's name on the website?
Okay, let's see if we can find Randall's name on the website. Well, we know Randall starts with an R. And let's see, there's one name here that starts with an R, and here's Randall James.
Oh, cool! This package has been delivered. Let's open it up together.
I wonder what it is.
I love getting mail. Tap to open the box. It's soap berries from Randall. I can add sugar and whip them up for a yummy treat. It will be great practice for the soap berry competition at the big gathering.
Yum, soap berries.
We finished all our tasks today. Tap the pencil to cross. 4 more days until the big gathering. I can't wait to go. Tuesday's to-do list. Let's make our to-do list for today. I'll go first. Pack for the trip. Now it's your turn.
Okay, so now we get to choose another task to do, and you'll do this each day of the week through Friday to help Molly get ready for the big gathering. I hope you and your families have a wonderful time getting ready for your Thanksgiving celebrations.
Hello everybody, my name is Matt Tessier. I'm the Deputy Director of LPB, and I'm so lucky I get to work here. It's an awesome place to work. I'm so lucky I get to talk to all of you because you're all so smart. I feel like just reading to you guys will make me smarter. So, Today we have how to catch a turkey, and I am so glad they wrote a how-to manual about how to catch a turkey. I've always wondered how to do that, always thought it would be fun. In Louisiana, we're big fans of catching livestock. We've got the Courrier de Mardi Gras and Mamu, so this is right up our alley. So let's get into it. And this is by Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton, New York Times best-selling team. It's cool. So here we got this. This looks like it makes some good wallpaper. How to catch a turkey. You know what? I'm going to need to put my peepers on for this. You guys have glasses? Leave a comment in the section below, with your parents' help, of course. Here we are on Thanksgiving Day. It's that special time of year. Yes, I know I'm a turkey. That much should be clear. So gather round, I have a tale, and it's really quite a story. What I tell you now is not a joke. It is my crowning glory. It all began 1 year ago. I was at school, you see. Play preparations were underway, but that didn't matter to me. Some kids walked by in silly clothes, talking about the play. We'll even have a turkey on stage. It's perfect for Thanksgiving Day. Turkey stage? No way, no how. Had I really heard that right? I broke out of my pen and ran away with a case of bad stage fright. I burst into the science room, knocked over flasks and beakers, and the cry of, "Catch that turkey!" boomed over the loudspeakers. Oh my gosh, this turkey's causing so much commotion, y'all. Looks like a fun day. So now more children joined the chase with catapults and food, but their goopy mashed potatoes weren't enough to keep me glued. Look at all this food being shot at this turkey. This actually makes me kind of hungry. Is that weird? Up next, there was a maze of books that stretched from wall to wall. But with a big hop and a mighty flap, I managed to escape it all. Wow, look at that library. That's amazing. I ducked past chairs and bags and desks. Now that was quite a trick. The kids thought they could stop me here, but I was much too quick. I ran outside to the jungle gym thinking I could hide, but the recess yard was all tricked out. I'd have better luck inside. Oh my gosh, all this trouble this turkey's causing. Finally, the kids gave up, but the principal gave chase. My only hope of escaping her was keeping up my pace. Kids, if you ever see your principal look like this, stay out of his or her way. She means business. I slid into the coach's room and crashed into a chair. I got tangled up in jerseys, but I won't get stuck in there. Man, this is a crafty bird. I ran into a curtain. There was nowhere else to go. I couldn't get past the principal, but the curtain led to the show. Oh, he's got a choice to make. Does he get caught by the principal or face his fears of acting in this play? What's he gonna choose? My heart was racing. I started to sweat. I couldn't squawk or run. Well, it looks like all these kids in the audience are down for whatever's about to happen. The adults look a little worried, I'm not gonna lie. I took a deep breath. I can do this. Who knows, this might be fun. A kid stood up and pointed. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He really is, a parent agreed, in his little mascot suit. I started to smile and even dance. While the crowd continued to cheer, I was filled with joy that I took the chance. And that's what started my mascot career. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. That's it. Wow. Okay, so I don't know that we answered the question of how to catch a turkey. I guess the answer is introduce them to show business, which is what we do here at LPB. So I'm going to try this out this Thanksgiving, if you guys will too. Hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving from everyone here at LPB.
We hope you enjoyed our Thanksgiving Play and Learn. We are so thankful to our LPB families, and we all wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time for Christmas.